Actually, I told him to dress up something more warmer, but it's coffee effect. Мой бусик, Хорзас, боже ты мой.
Good morning, guys.
Hello, everyone.
My name is Mrs Singh.
My name is Elizabeth.
Together we are.
Mr. and Mrs Singh.
So today we are going to little travel.
Little family trip.
Same like last vlog.
Yes.
So in America this week, California especially, was snowstorm.
Biggest in all history.
Yes. So we decided to go some little near to my city. There will be snow because our city never snowfall ever. So we are going to watch snow today and hope it will be good snow. And yesterday was fully closed that road and it was bad weather there a lot. And we'll watch today and we'll go and see how it will look. And first time going to watch snow with my wife. Actually, she come here in America from Ukraine, and in Ukraine she watch full life snow front of her door. For her it's not lot.
I just missing it.
Yes, now she's after almost 8 months.
Yes.
She really missing it. So for her it's not such excitement maybe, but for me it is because of I'm come from India, there's no any snow. So we are going for my wife and me together for snow and we'll play there and let's see.
For me is excited also. Otherwise, why I take it with me? For a case, a warm hat, warm sweater, my long winter coat, my winter boots. Because thinking maybe have fun, like maybe there is cold.
There will be not.
I'm with all weapons of clothes.
There will be not such in Ukraine, so it will be not.
Then we'll see, of course. But anyway, for a case, I take it at all.
So let's do this. Hope you guys will like this vlog.
And you will have fun with us.
Let's go.
Ciao.
Chalo.
Ciao, Tika.
Tika tika. We just start our vlog from car. We was just little hurry today for go. That's why we not make video at home. And now we are going to beautiful journey. It looks beautiful. Snow little, but will be awesome.
There is, I guess, mountains full in snow white.
Yes, that side I show you that that park,
Yes.
which is already hills.
Yes. Road is not really safe there in such weather after storm. That's why we choose a different one.
That road was blocked for 2 days because of
Danger.
snow.
It's a danger.
Especially in America. After watch such movies, it's always scary.
Yeah, it's not really fun. Like have a fun just to go just right there. It's a oranges such grove. And there is, you can see mountains with the snow. Oranges and mountains. It's an awesome combination. Seems like in mountains with snow hills, just oranges is growing up. It's like, what's going on? One truck going on. Beautiful. Switzerland, hills and green really
so
different.
beautiful.
Wow. That like a cotton sticking just to hill, that cloud fully on top of hill. It looks awesome. But I fully know what surprised me every time when such beautiful hills, because in summertime they're one, but now they're totally different. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. It looks awesome. It cannot explain.
We just stop here, so it's a beautiful location. You can see behind us.
I love that clouds on top of hill. That's just so beautiful. So we're just going through the hills. Here's little close and a little bit here. But kind of okay, just time after time. Sometimes being more even closed when we go to LA last year, or whenever you are flying in airplane. Never forget that experience. Only was just a gum was really helped save our ears when we just go fly up. So fully not expected rain was catch us little. Yes, it was just suddenly start fully gray, start being cloudy and drop rain. Seems like finish. Yes, and rain is not noticing such a lot now. So fully was not expected that it's such. Suddenly it start drop, little drops. I wish such fully green like grass hills being full over the year, not like only in winter time.
Yes, in summer it's a fully dry area.
Yes, I got remember like we was 2 times I guess or some. Yes, we was through the hills such travel. We will show you everything. Just stay with us. Don't go. Let's continue with our road trip into the mountains with snow. So beautiful. Look, it's awesome hill. Super awesome. It's awesomely beautiful. I'm so long time not so that snow looks at that beautiful. And that clouds like in such beautiful like wallpapers whenever hills fully lost into clouds and it can just record all the time. Here is a lot for recording. Awesome. And here also awesome.
Our
Video. Just if you are come here and really see it, it will just take your breath. It's in winter time, kind of like with snow. It's a fully different. It's just a fully amazing hills, which is not only green and fresh besides dry, but also such beautiful with snow. It's really looks so much beautiful.
Yes, it's such a dry area. Snow is beautiful.
And we saw, by the way, horses. You saw it them also in video. So it was fully not expected. Just going in the car and there is a horses. First time horses seen here on nature. In America ever.
So we are stopping on way. It's really cold here.
Yes, I told him to. Actually, I told him to dress up something more warmer because I know that winter time is such. Can be rude with you actually, so I was warned
Go in
him.
car.
I was warned him, but he is stubborn and was not dressed up better.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Ciao, Tika. Stay with us. Stay with us, guys, and we will show you even more than this. So look at this. Same place, just maybe
Same city.
Yeah, same city, same place, same hills. Just 5 minutes ahead, and where is the snow? Look at this. It's already it's kind of Arizona here. Look at this. It's already dry. Somewhere far away, can say. You can see only on hills some little snow. Fully different weather, fully different area, fully different climate. Climate. Fully different everything. In same place. Oh, look at this view better. And dry and snow. And dry and snow. No, it's like what's going on in this planet. Fully 5 minutes drive and such difference.
Look at this fence.
Yeah, fence looks beautiful. So cute. Like a flowers.
Wind above.
Wind is, yeah. So we was go out of the car and there was really a strong wind. It was feel like a cold. And whenever wind, you know, it's obviously will be more colder feel, even that it's not really cold.
We was stop on this store.
It's coffee effect. Which I
So we
think.
take coffee and now we are going little to hillside.
Yes, for a little walk.
Mm-hmm.
And then again find,
We'll stop
and then again find store for pee.
Mm-hmm.
Because coffee effect like that.
And these are typical of coal burning stoves. And in 2008, this building was ready to open as a museum,
Oh, okay.
and it burned down.
Oh.